Hey guys, time for a lesson about typing. Why is typing important? Well, for one, it's faster than writing. You can type a lot faster than you can write. It lets you communicate and work faster, especially since we're using all these computers so much now. You can type to your friends, or you can do your assignments a lot better if you can type well. And it's a skill you're going to use your whole life. Who invented typing? Well, it was this guy right there. Right there. His name was Christopher Latham Scholes, and he invented the typewriter, the mechanical typewriter, quite a number of years ago. And this is what an original mechanical typewriter looked like. And you can see it's got keys, but they're all levers. They're all mechanical. So when you press a key, the lever would fling up and it would stamp a stamp onto the piece of paper that you've got right here, and the paper would go back and forth as the line would be typed. As you can see here, they're stamping the paper. But why are the keys positioned how they are? If you've ever looked at your keyboard, you might wonder, why are they all kind of jumbled up? Why aren't they in alphabetical order? You know, Q, W, why does it start with Q? Well, Christopher Latham Scholes, he figured out that as you'd be typing on your mechanical typewriter, the hammers would get jammed up. They would basically just get stuck. So you press too many keys at once, or you press too many keys close together, and they'd get stuck. So that's why he mixed up the letters into the order that they are still in today. We don't have that problem, obviously, because we use electronic keyboards. And the reason we're still doing it is we're just kind of stuck. Society is kind of stuck doing it this way now. And it still works pretty good, so that's why they're in that position. The most important things to remember when we're getting ready to practice typing, there's 3 of them I like to say. Number 1 is watch the example hands here. Okay? When we get on Typing Club, you got to watch those hands. It's super important because if you do exactly the fingers that it's showing, then you're going to be doing it the right way. Number 2, stay on the home row. The home row is these green keys here, and your hands should always stay in this position that the example hands or ghost hands are showing. Okay? If you just watch the example hands, you'll be on the home row already. And finally, don't look at your fingers. This is the hardest one that all kids have a very difficult time with, or most kids do. So we're going to try to make a little keyboard cover at the end of this video if you want to watch all the way till the end to help you not look at your hands. Finally, if you can type fast enough, what can happen? Well, you could become a cyborg and your hands will split apart and you'll type a million letters per second. Just kidding. It's not going to happen. But what we can do next is we can go and take a look at how you can get to Typing Club from my website. If you know how to get to my website, you can go down, and this is the new accounts I made for you. So Typing Club accounts for second and under, you click this purple Typing Club link, and it'll take you to Typing Club. Then you can click Sign In with Clever, and it should take you straight away to your lessons. If you're in second grade or lower, you can also get to Typing Club by going to Clever. Okay, so you click Clever, and then you can go to my Clever page, my Clever class for you. It's got the little computer icon, and then, ta-da, over here, Typing Club. And since you're already logged in with Clever, you just click Typing Club, and it'll take you straight away to your lessons. And you can click Start, and for example, you can continue off on whatever lesson you were last on. Try to type at least 15 minutes a day. I say that's pretty good way to do it. And if you get really far, you can get all the way to the very end. That's level 685. But remember, if you get to level 231, where is it? Pandas, and you can beat this one, then I think you're very basically you've done a great job typing in elementary school. Uh, as you type in this program, it's really fun. It's got sound effects and it's got instant feedback. It shows you how fast you typed, even for individual little words. As you can see, I just typed that one at 27 words per minute. So you can try to beat your scores even just as you keep going on little words. Try your best not to look at your hands the whole time. I know it's hard. That's the most important thing. Okay? And now I'll show you a little video on how to make your own inexpensive little typing cover.